What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Taz's channel. In today's video, we got us another pack opening. We got these cards from our league shop, and we ended up taking first place. We won 4 out of nothing. We were undefeated, the only player that day undefeated. I actually used my son's deck. It was a Lucario deck, which is a fighting type. So if you want to know more about the deck, just comment below. We'll definitely answer those type of questions. Feel free to subscribe to the channel and like our video. Doop, doop, doo, doo, doo. Make sure you subscribe. And yeah, so here's what we're looking at. So we got the 2 green packs. Oh, hey, somebody's at my door. Hang on a second, guys. Hold on. Let me go get my door real quick. Hang on. All right, guys, I'm back, man. That actually worked out. That was perfect timing. Yo, I got a package in the mail. You know it's Pokemon, so we're just going to go ahead and open this bad boy in front of you real quick. So let's see what we got. Let's see. The package has been prepared by Lizzie. Thank you, Lizzie. Yep, don't care about that. Don't care about that. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, we bought these online. Let's see what we got going here. Oh, there's a Pikachu and a Chansey. Oh my goodness, the Chansey came in, y'all. Look at this guy. Oh, it's from the basic set, y'all. Do you guys know what the basic set is? That's the first set that came out. And look at that sick Pikachu. I've decided I want to collect the Pikachus, so I'm going to be collecting them. So thank you, mail service, for showing up today. How cool is this? And yeah, let's continue on in our video. Let's get to ripping. So let's just start with our prize pack participation ones here. And let's start it up. Here we go. Okay, and nothing really fancy in that one. There we go. I'm trying to get to the next one. All right, MP up, Surfing Beach. This guy MP up, and Energy. That's all we got out of that one. That's okay. Now we get into the gold ones. First place. Let's see if the first place was worth it this time. It's always worth it, guys. It's always fun to play the game. Winning makes it a little bit sweeter, but don't have to do that. Here we go. Do we gonna get anything? Here we go. And, oh, Megaledius EX. Babe, can you get me some card holders for me? Thank you. All right. Let's get all this out of the way. This is just in the way. All right, Mega Evolution. Let's go, let's go. What do we got? Magnemite, Lupin, Graphene, Rankin, Premium Power, and a bust. Nothing good in that one. That's all right. Ooh, Phantasmal Flames. Let's see what we got in here. Charmeleon. Oh, I haven't seen him in a while. Hunter, Battle Cage, Granbull, Gilgar, Granbull, and that's a bust. Oh, man. Last one. It's going to have what we really want in it, right? It has to. Let's see what we got. Boom, 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 boom. I need a bang. Give me a bang. Oh, a little bang, not too shabby. We got a full, we got the art one. Double rare. Mega Heracross EX. Ooh, he's grass. Is he going to go on my grass deck? I'm putting grass in my lightning. Let's check it out. Let's see. Juggernaut Horn. If this Pokemon was damaged by an attack during your opponent's last turn, this attack does that much more damage. 100 plus that much more damage. 3 grass energies. It does mountain ramming. Discard the top 2 cards of your opponent's deck. 170. Let's put these guys up. This guy is probably going straight in our deck, but we're just going to do the right thing and just hard casing for now. Oh, and we forgot to do our shout outs this game or this video. We're going to give a shout out to our latest subscriber. What was your name? It was WowXX. I will definitely tag you in the video. Check us out, man. I'm super stoked that you're here watching us. And yeah, if you guys want shout outs, just give me a comment and we'll do it. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel. We got more packs coming right around the corner. So until then, gotta catch them all. Peace.